Hello everybody, how are you? I am Zef and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today's question is the factors that affect the productivity of camera drone pets include. The correct answer to the question is the size of assembly quality insensitive spare to pets, the size of the financial benefits package, how to total compensation package is not included overtime pay of pet members compared to the all company average compensation levels and the amount a company spends annually for camera drone pet on training and productivity enhance assembly methods, the size of insensitive bonuses to workers base pay increases perfect attendance bonuses, the size of the fringe benefits package, how favorably the overall size of a company's compensation package compares with the industry average compensation package, expenditures for pet training and productivity improvement, and change in the number of adults. So that's the correct answer to the question. If you have any question, leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.